Hey guys, what's going on? I wanted to initiate coverage on Cleanspark. I really like this stock and I think it would be a perfect candidate. There have been a lot of requests for this on Chris's channel and also my brother's channel. I've been getting emails about it too. I really like how Chris does his and I really want to cover it. We aren't going to play around and we're going to get straight to it. We're going to show you how we arrive to get the target price. A lot of people share out prices, and it's not uncommon for 10 different analysts to have different target prices. We're going to show you how we get data to show you step by step where the data is and doing some math, statistics, and calculus to get your target price. And it's going to be easy because it's already on the spreadsheet, ready for you. If you request it, I will attach it and send it back to you. This is a real model, so the downside of a real model is that they will say whatever you want it to say, but you can't just request it without any knowledge. This is going to be the format that we're going to use, and I'll go over these topics. After I'm done with that, Chris will explain a little bit more and dive in deeper of what the relation is to these topics. The first one is corporate strategy. Second is firm and investment risk. Third is financial statement analysis. Fourth is macroeconomic analysis and total available market. Fifth is market forces and competition. Sixth is capital structure. Seventh is modeling and forecasting, and that will be a cheat sheet that I can email to you guys.
Just to provide a little bit of background on all 7 of these chapters we'll go through. My name is Chris. If you guys don't know, I run a channel over at Spot On Analysis. I have been invited graciously over here with Sandy. I've been getting a lot of emails about this stock. It's very popular. I actually looked into them, and I just was worried about not having enough room on my channel since I already cover 6 stocks myself. Sandy had a little bit of room for you guys, so I'm very excited to join her. I like to kick things off. She said we can use my format. I love this format. A lot of experience with it. I've done 6 companies like this. So I like to start off with corporate strategy. What that will let us know is why this company is in business and what their strategy is and how they plan to create value for you guys. The second thing I like to cover, and you can go in any one of these orders you like. This is just my preferred order. I like to get into the firm and investment risk. Basically, what could go wrong? What's the worst thing that could happen? I want to know that up front before I invest too much time in it. Third, I like to get into the financial statement analysis. I want to know what you're hiding in your footnotes, where you're making your money, what's on your balance sheet, where do you make it at, how do you make it. If you're in business selling widgets, I want to see widgets for sale. I don't want to see you selling land, timber, and copper. I want to see those widgets on there. I want to get into the macroeconomic analysis and the total available market. I want to know, what are you chasing? Are you chasing a big market that's going to be growing in the future? Or are we, buying ice makers? I mean, what is the deal with your company? I want to get into the market forces and the competition. Who are you competing against? Or because if you don't have a superior product in line with your corporate strategy, I want to know about it on the front end. I want to get into the capital structure. I want to know how much it costs you to raise money. Are you raising debt? Or are you selling, diluting your shareholders? And if you are, how much is that costing you? Obviously, we want that number to be as small as possible, but it's a lot that goes into it. Don't worry, we're going to tear it apart bit by bit. One thing about capital structure, I want to let them know, Sandy, that it's the least watched and most skipped show in every series. It is nasty. It is very complicated. It's a lot of math involved. And it just want to let them know that a lot of people skip that one. And at the end, we put a model together. We email it out. We feel pretty comfortable about people knowing how to populate them and work with the data points. So that's how we'll approach it. We'll go through it step by step, answer all the questions in between. And these are companies are live grenades. They are still in business. Things can happen in the middle of our analysis. So we leave the door open for addendum shows as well.
And that's all we have for you today, guys. Thank you again for tuning in. Thank you for my guest, Chris, and my brother also.
We'll get out. Try to get this thing going. Get corporate strategy out. Get firm and investment risk out, and get this thing going. Once the ball gets rolling, it's pretty quick. and it'd be a lot of fun. I can't wait. I've had so many. I'll be sending people from my comment section over to your channel to watch it because they've been asking me to do it. I'm like, hey guys, I am swamped, but I know someone who's not swamped. So thankfully, Sandy has taken this opportunity or challenge, whatever you want to call it, and ran with it. Awesome. We will see you guys tomorrow for corporate strategy, and we kick off coverage of CLSK.
Do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.